Before you begin looking for a home, it's important to find out how much you qualify for to determine how much buying power you have when submitting an offer. Some lenders may conduct a pre-qualification, which can be done over the phone or online. However, to take it one step further, you can request to receive a fully underwritten approval to help strengthen your offer. To begin the process, your lender will request certain documentation which will be used to verify your identity, credit, income, and assets. A list of initial documents may include the following: Social Security card, driver's license, credit history, 2 most recent bank statements, last 2 years tax returns, last 2 years W-2s, 2 most recent pay stubs. After analyzing your finances, your lender will present you with different loan programs and available options. It's imperative that you have a solid understanding of not simply what you qualify for, but also what you are comfortable with paying each and every month. Being pre-approved not only increases your buying power, it also enables you to move quickly when you find the perfect home. Providing and verifying your documentation upfront makes you less likely to encounter stalls during the home buying process and more likely to get your offer accepted.
If you're interested in learning more about how we can guide you throughout the entire home buying process, don't hesitate to contact us and get started. I'm Jet Eddy, and my team looks forward to hearing from you.